Days of Our Lives spoilers. Speculation: Kat falls for EJ as he discovers she's working for the ISA against him. Days of Our Lives spoilers reveal that, during February sweeps, Kat Green, Annalyn McCord, will fall for EJ DiMera, Dan Feuer-Riegel, after he discovers she's working for the ISA against him. Spoilers claim that EJ will soon become suspicious of Kat, probe his trusty assistant, Rita Leslie, Maggie Carney, and ask her some questions about Kat. There is much speculation that EJ will soon realize that Kat is investigating him through her partnership with Rafe Hernandez, Galen Gehring, and her cover will be blown. However, at this point, EJ and Kat are playing a game of cat and mouse. Kat has set up a honey trap for EJ so effectively that it appears he's falling for it hook, line, and sinker. Yet, we're catching some glimpses of the two of them flirting. Kat uses her seductive eyes to convey interest, while EJ demonstrates his signature irresistible English charm. Kat's plan is working wonders, as he's hooked EJ with their past Wuthering Heights connection. She used to read Emily Bronte's novel to EJ while he was in a coma. The pair were both patients in a recovery clinic in Italy at the same time. It's a history which Kat is using to her advantage. During their Valentine's Day dinner together at the DiMera mansion, EJ even asked Kat to read to him. Unfortunately, the mood was ruined when Xander Kyriakis, Paul Telfer, and Gwen Rischek, Emily O'Brien, came downstairs and announced, between bursts of laughter, that they had broken the bed. It was quite comical, actually. EJ was visibly irritated and also worried about the upcoming reading of Stefano DiMera's, Joe Mascalo, Wool. He told Kat he feared there would be a lot of infighting among the family members. EJ explained that he wasn't looking forward to it. That said, now that his brother, Chad DiMera, Billy Flynn, is officially out of the picture, EJ feels free to wine and dine the blonde beauty. Kat will start to develop true feelings for him, but by the time she realizes that, she'll be too late. EJ is going to uncover the truth about her ISA investigation with Rafe, and he likely won't trust her anymore. Knowing EJ, he'll take the information and use it to manipulate Kat. He may either confront her over her secret mission or try to seduce the truth out of her. Either way, it's going to be very entertaining to watch. The two of them have been circling